Sanibonani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Imina ke ingane yamakhehla amadala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle, a priest through Jesus Christ. We are all about sharing God's word, wisdom, healing, and sharing light for the world to become better. So on today's video, I want to speak to people who are fighting abalwayo ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wabo, and I just want to teach about the book of Psalms. When you look at the book of Psalms, you see different prayers, songs from Amahubo David, even on Moses, even some of the kings here, people who were kings, we do have some of their prayers here. So what I like about this book of Psalms, and to be quite honest, mina ngumuntu oyikhulekelayo, and I am able to speak to God ngendlela yami. Angifuni ukuqamba amanga. When I freestyle, ngikhuluma okusejuleni nenhliziyo yami. If khona into engiboniswa yona, if khona umuntu ohluphekile, ocindezelekile, or whatever, I am able to project myself and ask God and plead with God ngeyami indlela, and vele ngisebenzisa ini ulwimi lwami. But one of the things that I've learned because of iBhayibheli, incwadi yabangcwele, into engiphiwe yona ukuthi ngiyisebenzise, they just gave me this book. It's something that I bought a long time ago, but I'm reminded in 2025, this is still your weapon. But what I'm learning from this book as a prayer warrior is that King David, the sweetest psalmist. Yazini, he is the sweetest. He's the sweetest. Yazi, bekeyikhuluma imbilini yakhe, uNkulunkulu azwe kahle kunala afika khona ukudinwa, ukukhathala bese ayakhala kuNkulunkulu, kunala abongelela khona ebonge. The book of Psalms is your go-to. You don't necessarily like copy, because there are people who will say pray the word. What I normally do is that I meditate on the book of Psalms. If I happen to wake up in the middle of the night, I don't have to even shout. Like maybe kunamalanga la I will read it out loud, like read Psalms 91 out loud, because if I feel like doing it. But there are times where I will just meditate and ngifunde ngaphakathi kwenhliziyo yami, up until I feel that I'm satisfied. And guess what? I am able to sleep after the end. I am good. So this recently happened to me a few weeks ago. So I woke up in the middle of the night and then I picked up my Bible, and then randomly so I opened the book of Psalms. Mangizofunda book of Psalms, ngavula Psalms 58. So when I read there, it's the just judgment of the wicked. But when I read ukuthi David laphaya meke khuluma noNkulunkulu, bekethini laphaya, bekethini. So I looked at it, I was like, when you look at from verse 6 up until verse 11, so there's this thing about me. When I read a chapter, I look at the following chapters. So ngibona 58, ngabona 59. So when I look at 59, I also loved 59 because of I was able to sleep after also reading 59. Because of 59, I like it when now acacisa laphaya ukuthi uyini umuntu. Like when you read from verse 1, defend me from those who rise up against me, deliver me from the workers of iniquity, and save me from bloodthirsty men. For look, they lie in wait for my life, The mighty gather against me, not for my transgression, nor for my sin, O Lord. They run and prepare themselves through no fault of mine. Ati awake to help me, and behold, you therefore, O Lord of hosts, the God of Israel, who awake to punish all the nations, do not be merciful to any wicked transgressors. I was like, Aibo. You know, when I saw this book, I was like, Aibo, yazi ngakuthola ukukhuleka, ngakuthola ukukhuleka. Kuneminye imithandazo that God leads us to, and we remain calm because of, trust you me, the fight is internal. Yes, ungabuzwa izinto and mawuzizwa lezi zinto lezo, if there are things happening outside, kunomuntu ogibela phezu komuzi wakho, kunomuntu omzwayo ukuthi uyahamba egcikela, then already that sparks fear in you. I recommend the book of Psalms. Go and meditate from 56, 57, 58, 59. Uzombona ukuthi uNkulunkulu ubani. You can even read them within yourself. Uloku uyifundela. I know the flesh is lazy. Inyama iyakhathala uvela ushawa ubuthongo. Kodwa the spirit is willing. Because of your spirit is willing, continue ngokomoya, and then uzibone ulala peaceful, uzibone ulala and uphupha amaphupho angcono, not lamaphupho azobe afikiswe yini ukwesaba kwakho. From the book of Psalms this year, I've learned to express myself more to God and be more and more specific, because of mina I express myself. Hence ngithi abantu abangilalelayo mangikhuleka, they will even say mina ngikhuluma noNkulunkulu ngathi ngiyambona or what. No, I respect God, I fear God, and when I approach him ngobo humble. I humble myself, and ngithi mangiqeda ukuzihambula bese ngiyayivula inhliziyo yami, bese ngiyamtshela konke okungaphakathi kumina. And hayi ukuthi ngiyakhala. uDavide wawumuntu okhalayo, oh have mercy on me, ngizwele uNkulunkulu. Mina-ke angazi ngiyileyo nhlobo ukuthi noma ngizwa nje ukuthi yazini ngiyajikelwa, ngiyashaywa, kodwa ngizoqhuba ngayo enkani ngithi uNkulunkulu ungavumi ngami, uNkulunkulu ungavumi ngami, ungangiyekeleli ngiphalale njengamanzi. Bonke abangicindezelayo, bonke abangiphehlayo, bonke abangijikijelayo, bonke abangiphehla ngobumnyama, bonke abangivulela imigodi, akungene bona ngegama lakho Jesu, akungene bona ngegama lakho Jesu. Kululu uqobo lwakho ngaphezu kwesimo sempilo yami, zivezeke moya ngcwele, ke kubonakala amandla wakhe, ke kubonakala ubukhulu bakho ngaphezu kwesimo sempilo yami. Oh Nkosi, umkhulu empilweni yami, umkhulu endleleni yami. Uhlala wazi ukuthi musebunzimeni bese na ugcine uhuba njengaye uDavide, hayi ususemoyeni uyakhala kuyena ukuthi ungavumi ngami, bese uphinde futhi umbongelele, uphinde uthi umkhulu empilweni yami, umkhulu endleleni yami. Nkosi ngiyakubonga, Nkosi ngiyakuthanda, moya ngcwele ngiyakuthanda, hlala kumina ngaso sonke isikhathi, hlala nami, kelelela ngaphakathi kwaleli khaya engiphila kulona, hlakaza konke kubo kumnyama okuvunguzayo ngaphakathi kwaleli khaya. Nkosi yami ngiyabonga, angiphezi la ngimi khona, ngiyabonga uyeza, ngiyabonga, angiphezi la ngimi khona. That's how God has gifted me. It's so intimate because of masengilapho ngikhalile, I complained, and then I smiled, and then I praised, and then I did everything in one prayer, just like David would do it. Learn something from the book of Psalms. Express yourself. Khala. bonga, cela, praise, praise, dumisa, 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 and just leave with a smile. And trust me, even after those type of prayers, you remain at peace. You remain at peace. You remain at peace. You remain at peace. I love you so much, guys. Akube nobumbano nozwano nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu.